Right, to winterize this generator after the summer, you have to first drain the fuel from the fuel tank, then take out the carburetor cap, 10mm bolt, drain all the fuel, right, put some engine oil inside, so that just need to spread it a little bit and around this gasket too. It's the same. The last thing is spark plug. Still need to drip a couple of milligrams, or maybe 10 milligrams of oil inside. But make sure that you find the top dead end before closing. This is how I do it here. Right. So when it touches, then it's the upper part. So you can't see it from there, but that's how it works. So everything is sealed, oiled, and it's good to go.